In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags on Eventbrite. You might be familiar with tags from social media, but Eventbrite uses them a bit differently. On Eventbrite, tags are essentially keywords that help with search visibility. They do not appear like hashtags on social media. Instead, they play an important role in making your event easier to find. Let's begin by logging into your Eventbrite account. Make sure you're using the correct login details to access your events. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your central hub on Eventbrite. From here, you can manage all aspects of your events. Next, navigate to your event dashboard. This is where you can see a list of your current events. Select the particular event you want to add tags to. It's important to ensure you're working on the right event, especially if you have multiple events listed. Now click on the Edit Event option. This section allows you to make changes to your event details. You can adjust everything from the event name to the schedule. Pay attention here because this is where you'll start the process of adding your tags. From there, go to the Publish section. This part of the platform is crucial because it determines how your event appears to the public. Under the event type and category, you will notice a section dedicated to tags. It comes with a box where you can add the search keywords for your event. This is where the magic happens. Type your tags into the box. For example, you might include terms like music, workshop, Davao, or business networking. These keywords should accurately represent your event and the audience you're targeting. Remember, you can add up to 10 tags per event. It's a good idea to choose tags that potential attendees might use when searching for events like yours. Once you've entered your tags, click Save. This step ensures that all your changes are stored. You will see a confirmation appear, letting you know that your tags have been successfully added. It's important to note that these tags are not visible to attendees like hashtags on social media. They are mainly used to help your event appear in Eventbrite search results. This feature is incredibly helpful for increasing your event's visibility. By adding the right tags, you make it easier for people to find your event when they search for similar keywords. Eventbrite may also automatically generate some tags based on your location, category, and event title. This can be a helpful feature if you're unsure about which tags to add. However, it's always best to customize your tags to ensure they best fit your specific event and audience. And there you have it. You've successfully added tags to your Eventbrite event. This process might seem simple, but it's a powerful way to boost your event's reach. By carefully selecting relevant tags, you can significantly enhance the likelihood of your event being discovered by the right people. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of your Eventbrite events. Make sure to revisit and update your tags if the focus of your event changes. Doing so can keep your event optimized for search visibility. Until next time, happy event planning!